If you have also forgot your Android phone password, then don't worry because we have got you covered. In this video, we will be showing you the ultimate solution to unlock any Android phone without losing your precious data by using the incredible Alt Phone Toolkit. Whether if you have entered the wrong password too many times or just can't seem to remember it, our step-by-step guide will help you to regain access to your device in no time. As there are thousands of satisfied users have already experienced the magic of Alt Phone Toolkit, so now it's your turn to unlock your Android phone without any hassle. It even supports the latest Android 13 version, and you can also unlock any kind of screen lock with this toolkit. You can bypass FRP lock from any Android device, and if you are using early Samsung models such as 6 Edge, Note 3, Note 4, you can unlock them without losing your data. And the best part is that you can unlock any Android brand, either if it's Oppo, Vivo, Redmi or Samsung, it doesn't matter. So what you need to do is simply install your desired version from its official site, which I have mentioned in the description down below. Once the download is done, install the Alt Phone Toolkit at your desktop, and this is how the main interface look like. It's just all in one. As you can see, with this toolkit you can transfer WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone or iPhone to Android. You can fix iOS related issues as well, and it can also bypass iPhone screen passcode and iCloud activation lock. But let's come to our topic. So click on Android screen unlock. Here you will get to see two options. If you are facing FRP lock, simply click on the second option and follow the instruction, which is very easy to do and it doesn't require any technical knowledge. But if you are facing screen lock, then simply click on the first one. You can bypass screen passcode from some earlier model without losing your data. As you can see, they are already mentioned, but in this video we are unlocking the Samsung A53, so I will go with the first option. Now at this point you have to connect your phone to the desktop, and let's follow the instructions. So the first step is that all you need to reset your phone with the sides button. As we don't have any Bixby and home screen button, so I will press the power button and the volume down button to turn off the device first. Once the phone is turned off, now again press the power button, but this time you have to press the volume up button instead of volume down button. Just keep pressing them until the Samsung logo appears. Once the logo appears, simply release the power button and keep pressing volume button. And as you can see, here we are. Now with the help of volume buttons, first click on wipe data and factory reset option. As you can see, just like that. Then simply click on wipe cache partition, which is very easy to do. As you can see, you can do that just like that, and then just reboot your device. Now let the phone restart and I'll be right back. And that's it. As you can see, let me quickly set up the device, and I am sure the screen passcode would have already gone. And as I said, thanks to the Alt Phone Toolkit, which help us to bypass screen passcode in no time and without any technical knowledge, you can set another screen passcode without any hassle. If you also forget your screen passcode, then I will definitely recommend the Alt Phone Toolkit, by which you can also bypass FRP lock from any Android device. So that's it. If you guys have got any question regarding this tutorial, just let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.